precio, tiempo, único final camarón. Sí, sí, vale.
It's nice to watch.
Yeah.
Not only plays. No. Not nerves in the beginning, maybe.
Yeah.
And then it's cool.
Yeah.
If you play well.
I don't.
But there is no tournament.
There's only one 185.
But why? In England there is.
There's London, Roehampton, to Nottingham, Bournemouth.
Yeah, but they're like grade ones.
Well, there's one grade, 3 grade 4s.
Grade 3?
No, 3 grade 4s and 1 grade 5. And then
And no 2s?
no. And then there's one grade 1 and 1 grade 2.
The grade A. Grade A is the best because the players are the same like here, but you win so much points.
Yeah.
You don't know in Japan, the last guy in the it's grade A and the last guy in the main.
Yeah. Like I was in
You-
qualifying here and I would have played.
You would go there major,
Yeah.
and he's the last guy in the for 100 days.
Yeah. First game of yeah.
But this island is like calm, or there is lots of scour.
In like in general?
Yeah.
No. It's okay. It's a lot of mountains. And
Yeah.
yeah.
But in Bulgaria, the problem is that like the politics and stuff, like they don't like renew the roads or like the buildings,
Yeah.
and it's like quite dirty because there is lots of cars and stuff. But what is the problem in Bulgaria? Like it's very corrupt and the whole thing.
Yeah.
Because like the eastern countries and stuff, they're like the politics are shit there. So
Yeah.
they don't build like the main problem is that they don't build parkings, but they build buildings. Like
Yeah.
and the cars are like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
So like there in Bulgaria it's like we were 7 millions there. Like so few people,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
lots of cars.
Is it big country? Is it bigger than Great
So small.
Is it? I thought I was quite, our country, Great Britain was quite small.
So small. It's like we have a sea and we have a lot of like our nature, like just the nature is amazing. Like we have so nice nature, but next year we have now we start to renew the buildings. The politics starts to have more money, and stuff. And now it's nicer because we have like, new roads and new buildings everywhere. But the parkings are missing, so lots of cars everywhere. Like you go in the street and in the street there is cars. Like there is like cars and you have to. But you have to go there. It's like depends where you go. Like you can see like very dirty because we have the main problem is that we have a big ghetto there. Like a lot of people like stealing and stuff. And they're like from India actually.
Really?
Yeah, they are coming from India like 1 week ago, and they are making mess everywhere. They take everything from the garbage and they just. So that's why it's quite like good.
Yeah. How many ITS do you have left?
Two.
Just two.
Grade 6. 2 in a row.
We don't have grade 5.
We have 1 grade 5 and 2 grade 2. Two grade 2s in a row. But they're shit.
Really?
No, like the courts in one of them they're unbelievably shit.
Really? Is it hard to play?
No, they're clay, but the other one is
On what?
clay court.
Oh, yeah.
They're both clay, but one of the courts is so shit because like they all just open the courts and they're brand new, and the courts are very soft. So when you play on them, they get like they get holes in them and stuff.
Yeah.
But in the other tournament, the courts are pretty good.
Have you played it?
Yes, I lost this year second rounds. I think I played pretty bad. I played this year the beginning of the year pretty bad. I started with that.
When are the grade 2s? When are the grade 2s?
The beginning of the year, like March. You can play them, they're okay. I was this year against Finn Bus.
It's quite tough.
I was leading set and 4-2 and 40-15.
Really?
Yeah, but I'm so stupid. I did mistakes. No, I mean I'm not like stupid, but I did mistakes. Like you can do mistakes sometimes.
Yeah.
And the next tournament I lost with Aaron Schmidt. 3-3. I think worst match of all. Yeah.
Still good that time.
But he played well. You know when you go play well, the other guys playing like
Yeah.
he looks good.
Yeah.
I think I started to play well before like April, May,
Yeah.
maybe. But Anthony is like doing amazing shots, and then he do like so bad.
Yeah.
When you play against him, you're just like you have to fight. If he has a good day, you have to. Maybe no. If he has a good day, you have to change the shots and stuff. But his good days like just hit it. If you make him just little out of position, he cannot just defend. I mean, he's tough.
Yeah.
You know the score? 0?
No, 1-0 please.
I think this is double.
We go back.
Get up.
One of the first.
Yeah, just shake his hand. Video, I have to show you. You know the video in YouTube? You know the guy from Italy with the weird set? Who is going like this? Lorenzo?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, I think it was him. He lost the first point of the match on lap 15. He was serving, he smashed the racket.
Let's go.
Did you saw that?
No.
That's so funny.
Yeah.
Never seen that. Why? Like,
I know.
it was like lap 15 in the first game. First set. But he was quite nervous.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is this out?
No, it was in the thing.
But look, it's so close. Ah, yeah.
We can see them off the board, but he's going to
Yeah. I think the referee will because it's this side, you know. It's bullshit.
Anthony was quite nice. He's getting quite angry.
But this is the point I think of Leon. One zero for Leon.
Yeah.
The one was the Leon, which is the what we said. It's a this. Zato što bi някаква сервис, беше вътре, ама това някакъв друг да лекал. Ама е душ.
Play.
Imagina.
Play.
We're going really well. The innings of the
Yeah, of course. That's the way he screams is like, don't feel anything.
He'll be looking into it like that.
Huh? Yeah. Let the show begin.
Yeah. Yeah.
No nie wiem, myślę, że też przesadujesz tylko.
Nie, tam było. Powinien spróbować.
Już słyszę.
Generalnie tak nie spróbować.
Well, listen to it. I'll show you my.
I do know normal. I know bank account.
Yeah.
21 Savage.
Yeah. I listen to Verizon.
Yeah, it's okay. We need to show. I have a plate here, but it's free. But I don't
Yeah,
understand.
I did, but it's not in the App Store anymore.
It is.
How long ago did you have it? How long did you have it for? How long did you have it for?
6 months. 6 months ago we started.
See, I have an old phone that when I had it on,
Yeah.
but
Me too. I have iPhone 5s. And this is iPhone SE. And when I buy it like this year I buy this year. And I know the one. I know one guy. He told me that it's not like. It was iTunes before. iTube. It was iTube before. And now it's PlayTube. They changed it.
yeah, I had iTunes, but then I tried to find it on this phone.
But yeah, now it's this. I have no internet. Look, I have everything.
That's one too good.
I can show you. I mean, those are just songs that I search, or all things that I search. But these are like my songs that I listen to. Yeah, here. If you want, you can check it. Here are them like all I searched. But I have also beats because I wrote. I rap songs.
Did you?
Yeah, you want to hear it?
Yeah.
You want to see it? But you can help me with the grammatics.
Okay.
If I have this is this. I mean, I try to just for fun.
Yeah.
I don't know. I have loads. I have loads.
Ostatnio chyba nie wiem.
Dworek lekcji. Jakiś syrena.
Kolorowo. How long did that take?
Like a year.
Did it?
I have loads. I have I have loads and I try to put it in one song. Like this one. I try to put it in like the silence. Dream to be under the lights. I want to be on the top of extreme heights. I don't know.
That's good, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Are you gonna create like music videos and
No.
you're gonna like go into the recording?
No. I just
Could sound and make some out.
do it for fun in the sometimes when I didn't have. You know, I always wrote. All these text I wrote in the airplane. Yeah, because there is no Wi-Fi, there is nothing, so
Yeah.
I have time. And when I'm listening to some music, I'm like,
Yeah.
I get like inspired. I try to wrote on motivation, like inspiration.
Yeah, they're my favorite.
Sorry?
Motivational ones are very
Yeah.
good.
Not just like chill one.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe. But it's alright.
Sounds good.
I try to sing some. Did you ever wrote a song or something?
I just
You tried?
it's never really occurred to me to do it. When I have a lot of work and
What's for example there?
I play games. I play this game.
Morales jest 1 na 10.
You know?
Pierwsze ludzie dostaną. No właśnie.
This game. It's just like it's a good no Wi-Fi. And then you just like you have to stop the balloons. So like this.
Yeah, this is nice.
So if they go, you know, they go to the start, and you have towers and like that. Shoot them.
It's cool.
Yeah. It's good for planes because it lasts.
But when my song is fun on the
Yeah.
airplane, like
Yeah.
you were thinking.
Yeah. When I leave to back, I'll write a song.
Yeah, you know, I mean, I wrote this song like a year of traveling, for a
Yeah.
year on the
Yeah.
airplanes.
Who do you use to travel with?
My mom and coach, maybe sometimes,
Yeah.
or sometimes just coach. I don't know. You know, No Heart by Savage, Federal Savage.
Yeah.
I like the tunes.
Yeah.
You know, these ones, and they're like grandmas. I subscribe on YouTube to their channel. They're doing like grandmas. Tupac and Biggie, Tupac and Easy, like Tupac and 50 Cent. They're like new songs, but they just mix songs together and they make a beat.
Yeah.
You want to hear them? This headphones are different. Like I can afford it at first. So, no, you have to know like that. You have to know like this, like that, and then put it. What do you know? You do like that.
özür dilerim.
Çıkarım.
Check lost. Imagine there is a tournament. G1 is getting bonus win just because it's best of five.
Yeah, so cool.
Like, I don't know. Maybe nobody win wins, maybe for this great you win 100.
Yeah.
Like a great win.
Yeah.
Done. But it's like you play best of five. This will be so cool.
Yeah.
And they can call it like 3 Grand Slam or something.
Yeah.
Did you ever play like Max best of five? And I was thinking like the very first one, the final best of five like that. Because if one guy is like 2-1 up, because he cannot, you know,
Yeah.
what do you do? They always finish like 4-1 or 2-0.
Yeah.
You know the score? 4-1. That's beautiful. 4-1 or 3-2? 4-1 or 3-2?
They can play 3 hours and 45 minutes.
Explain that.
Yeah.
So they all start here. Anton is hitting the first serve. If I hit the first serve in the first serve, I can just yeah, but sometimes you just need to put it in.
I suppose.
This game, you know, the
Yeah.
it's all to feel
And that was usually.
that was sales with this.
You like get so close to the net.
Yeah, but in singles, when you have to finish the ball, most of the time you do it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I mean, I cannot say like 100%. Yeah, but we did it. What is the score there in this court? Yes.
No idea.
But they're playing like,
Yeah. Last week, she didn't qualify. That girl had like a 4.5 hour match.
Really?
Yeah, just like noon ball.
But this is not fair.
No.
You can play 6 hours and then you can go to do it.
Did the same thing.
In the same time.
How far?
No. I think a millimeter and a half. From here until how?
Yeah.
I think this is the one.
Yeah.
But this is the I think it was this and that.
When do you play? You play tomorrow.
Tomorrow. The winner of this.
Oh,
Nice. You remember?
Hard.
We can take 3-1 for him. For him. But this was on the 16th of his, so on the 16th for them, for 16th. Yesterday
You went down with this game. That's good. And then? Get you played here.
so fast.
Yesterday in the singles, I was playing for the Watford, he changed it up like from 3-2 for me, he had 40 back. 3 games in a row I win for Watford, 50-40 and last third.
Yeah.
But that's why he have to play for every point. Because maybe it's 40-15, he win one more point, the guy gets a little bit tight, he go mistake for this. Like if you just tank, you give him the game, even if take the point, you don't tank.
Yeah.
I was playing for every point, even in Slaford.
Yeah.
And I win like 3 games like that.
Yeah.
Because I didn't tank. You can imagine when people didn't tank and I was 5-2 for him.
Yeah.
And then it will be like, I put 40 off, what am I doing? You know, like,
Yeah.
it's good for the mentality.
Yeah.
Because the other guys are less likely to get pissed if you take a game from
Yeah.
so play it one time.
Yeah.
I mean, sometimes if you're pissed, you can take it. I don't know. I know it's his game, so I don't know. I'm just. But now that he's moving, if he just like do some rounds or something. They're both the same. But yesterday we just were doing so long rounds.
Yeah.
But he was feeling pretty good yesterday.
Yeah. You playing decent? No?
we watched at the beginning. Yeah, like boom, boom, boom.
Yeah. That's good.
Good to watch. Good intensity.
Yeah.
Good practice. Very nice. Yeah, but good intensity.
Yeah.
Shots and yesterday I was serving so good for the second set. I was serving like first service, I was like
Yeah. You served one double. There you go.
yeah. Yeah, but I'm talking about the doubles.
Oh, what are you talking about doubles?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the singles was okay.
It's harder than clearly.
I know I was sometimes getting so hard, but I was not going anywhere. I was just like, it's the same like the kick serve.
Yeah.
In the play court, like you hit a kick or you hit per serve, it's the same. If the ball is not like good direction.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you're not in his place,
Yeah, I know.
if you miss this ball, maybe you don't scream or something, but you're angry inside.
Yeah, I'm
You would be angry inside. Like Roger, you know, he's so
He cries after match.
yeah, I
He
know.
cries.
But Mavrinka is the opposite, right before the This, I think, helps. When you cry before the match, then the match will like count.
Why does he cry before?
Because he feels so nervous. Oh, he was crying. They said in some video or something that he was crying and he was so terrified. And purpose. Yeah, but when you're nervous, you play bad. It's actually when you're nervous, you can play pretty decent.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't matter if you're nervous or not. Sometimes you're calm and you play bad.
Yeah.
Like for example, yesterday I was nervous in the beginning and I was playing good.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if you're nervous or not. I mean, players when they are nervous, you know, they just pull the ball.
Yeah.
But when, for example, some players, when they're nervous, they try just to swing, you know, and they
Yeah.
play well. But what? Just wait. He's like, let's finish this play.
Yeah. I'm going to finish with Pontarlier. Quite late.
But the days is going very fast.
Yeah.
Like when you go at breakfast and the time you go to sleep is so short.
Yeah. Yeah. We have 3 more matches. No. 4. Technically.
After a minute I will play a singles. Like I don't know, it's going so fast.
Yeah.
But because you like when you have breakfast and it's already 12 o'clock, more or less. Like, normally, okay, normal day.
When I'm at home,
Yeah.
it feels like they're so long because we wake up early.
Yeah, maybe yes. You wake up like at 6 and you have a practice at 8. No, think. Maybe not get on low. No, this is still see.
I didn't see.
Right on the
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Is this explained?
Yes. He speaks Russian and a little bit English.
Not great actually. Is he going to Mexico?
Yeah. They're done with Russian.
Should call out.
This was like he took
Yeah.
I mean not lucky but a little. So it helps a bit.
Yeah. Doubles is sort of a lot of double touch.
Serve normally. We have sometimes problems.
Yeah. Like when it was in, it was really good. But sometimes I hit double flop.
I think a lot of players who are getting nervous they have nowadays. If you don't serve a lot or you are injured or you are dying. For example, I was injured for like 20 days and then I go back to the court. First I was doing like easy mistakes or
Yeah,
double
yeah.
balls, like to win the game and something.
Yeah.
Advantage of it.
Yeah. Scotland. Other than that, I'm trying to think of where I've been.
I don't know, USA, Spain, Italy,
USA,
Germany,
yes, but
Spain.
there's too much like flying in
Yeah.
America.
That's why I don't like USA.
Yeah.
Actually.
Because
It's like,
they
it's
get
not
done.
secure.
Yeah. I think
It's like, you know, when I was first, USA was, because I was watching some American movies, and when I go there, it was exactly the same.
Yeah. Probably. Trying to think. I've been. Switzerland is nice. Very expensive. Spain is nice. Portugal's nice. Nice,
Yeah, but they're not your homes.
but no. Like, I am bored now in this place.
Or what?
Like,
This one?
yeah,
Me too.
I'm bored.
But because you're not from here, if you're from here, you have like
Yeah.
lots of friends, you know, all the places maybe you like.
Yeah, yeah, I suppose.
For example, me in Scotland, for me it would be so boring there.
Yeah,
If I'm just in the hotel or in the pubs.
yeah, yeah.
If I don't know anyone.
Yeah, I suppose.
Maybe it's so nice. So this naturally unusual exists.
Yeah,
Maybe.
yeah.
Depends on how it is.
I like his form. Caliente.
Why?
It's quite like smooth.
Yeah.
I'm so hungry.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll see you in a bit.
Yeah. Тези си смислено, пет всичките от Англия, а тя ти каже и мъряше това. От Дъблин. Море. От Стенс. Не. С Лавото. С Лавото.
good at that. Great fire, but one set, first set.
Повнимательнее, дисциплина.
Come back. Go on, Tom. Just the point.
Начинается опять. Да, давай, начнем.
Well played. Good shot. Come on. Get back.
换一个汤。Okay, keep going. Shape that up. Nice and relaxed. Footwork. Par contre, tu flottes, tu vois. Io fai il flotto. Durante il schifo. Lorenzo?
Ja.
They said they can. It's 50 euros. So should I pay or should I pay? Should I pay? Because it's after, not the driver. Do you want? Should I get a? I'll get a scoring scale. That's fine.
Allora non so, più sta.
Eu tenho que quedar mais.
Shot.
Yeah, we were still out. We had the wrong mark. We had the wrong mark. We were still out. We had the wrong mark.
No, I did it. Yeah.
No, defender fell. Yeah, but you had the wrong mark. You circled one and you forgot where it was. You moved to another one. Look, it's like directly in front now. You see there's like a line behind it like this. You see where they were talking. You see the light look, there's a clean flash off the mark. Like, oh yeah, there. Right where the little that is there was that. You pointed to the wrong one.
This was seen?
No, it was out, but
Maybe when that's got feet, go to shoot.
playing now?
What?
Who are you playing?
Bana show.